Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to make a move circuit assembly. We will need a coin cell and a slide switch plus a vibration motor. Now we will connect the positive terminal of the coin cell to the terminal 2 of the slide switch. And now we will connect the negative terminal of the coin cell to the negative part of the vibrating motor. Now we will take the positive part of the vibration motor and connect it to the middle pin of the slide switch called common. And now we will make this wire red color. This work is being done on tinkercad.com. It is an online software. And like this, our move assembly circuit is made. Thank you. But wait, let's see how it works. If we turn this on, as you can see, it's vibrating. So this was all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.